Bluetooth connection problems are usually not caused by broken hardware. In most cases, it's a pairing issue, software glitch, or device conflict. The fastest fix is not random tapping. It's isolating where the pairing process is failing. Let's go through it. 1. Turn Bluetooth off and on again. Start simple. Switch Bluetooth off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This resets the wireless connection process and often solves temporary pairing issues. It sounds basic, but it works surprisingly often. 2. Restart both devices. If you are connecting two devices, like a phone and earbuds, restart both. For example, your phone, your Apple AirPods, headphones, or speaker. A restart clears temporary software conflicts and refreshes Bluetooth services. 3. Forget the device and pair again. This is one of the most effective fixes. Go to Bluetooth settings, select the device, tap forget or unpair. Connect again from scratch. Old saved pairing data can cause failed connections. Repairing creates a fresh link. 4. Check distance. Bluetooth works best at short range. If the device is too far away or blocked by walls, signal may drop. Move devices close together during pairing. This removes signal strength as a variable. 5. Make sure the device is in pairing mode. Many people miss this. Devices like earbuds, speakers, or watches often require a dedicated pairing mode. If it's not in pairing mode, your phone may see it but fail to connect. Check the device's pairing button or hold the power button as required. 6. Disconnect other devices. Bluetooth devices often auto-connect to previously paired devices. Example, your earbuds may still connect to another phone or laptop. Turn off Bluetooth on nearby devices and try again. This avoids connection conflicts. 7. Update software. Bluetooth issues often come from outdated software. Check updates for your phone system, laptop drivers, wireless accessory firmware updates. Fix compatibility problems between devices. 8. Reset network settings. Advanced fix? If nothing works, reset network settings. This refreshes. Bluetooth Wi-Fi mobile network configurations use this only if a normal fixes fail because saved Wi-Fi passwords may be removed. Strategic insight. Bluetooth failure usually happens at one of 3 stages. Device not discoverable, pairing conflict, software issue. The fastest diagnosis. Can the device be seen but not connected? If yes, pairing conflict is likely. Can't see it at all? It's usually pairing mode or range. Final conclusion, Bluetooth problems are rarely serious. Start with restart, forget, and reconnect. Check pairing mode, remove nearby device conflicts.